Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. And yep, we're gonna do some more of that. Lots and lots of earrings, I think. I'm gonna work around the earrings until we get most of the other stuff out, and then we'll go through the Cookie Lee earrings. This is a cute little black and white stretchy bracelet. And yes, it's cold in here, so I'm wearing my big fuzzy robe. It's very fuzzy and black and nice. It looks pretty with my pretties. Ooh, hey, look, the holographic stuff is showing up on here. Sweet! Some days it wants to, and other days it doesn't. Oh, look at this. This is a golden snitch from Harry Potter. It's adorable. It's a key ring. It's a key ring. Cute. Here's a knot of things. Here's a knot of things. Wait, is it? Ooh, I don't know. This one's kind of strange looking. Okay, so it's 3 strands. It's got a, get that out of there. It's got a brown, a green, and a leather, and it's 3 strands, and it's a very boho bracelet. Of course, I came in here and it was freezing cold in here, right? So I put on my robe, and my nice, cushy, nice robe, and now I'm having a hot flash. Hot flash. Hold on a moment. Oh look, here's this. We have the other one of those. Somewhere's in the other room. Okay. Oh, and I've got my fuzzy pajamas on too, so still hot. It's still hot. Here is a German silver tone chain. You know, the ones that feel like aluminum. They're very, very lightweight, but very nice. If you don't like heavy, that's the one to have. Here is a little, it's kind of stuck here. Criminy, what the heck? Let me get this open. There we go. Wait, no, it's not gonna. There we go. We have a starfish, a little piece of dyed howlite, and a little sea turtle. That's cute. It's kind of in meh shape, but it'll probably clean up okay. It's a big old knot, and this is the culprit. This bit right here, and I don't like cutting them. Oh look, there's 2 of them. One's got silver wire and one's got gold wire. Oh look, an earring. I'm pretty sure we have the other one of these as well. Little black and silver beaded guy. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, you're pretty. It's 3 little leaves. Gold tone. It's got this kind of a closure on it. Very nice. Oh yeah, baby. Uh-oh. No, you're not gonna. Criminy. I need to do that music thing like, like Margaret does with the untangling. Do 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 do. You know that song. It's the Margaret untangling song. There's a cute little heart. If I could get it out of here. I like whatever this is. It's got little angels. And an angel kitty. Is that an angel kitty? Wait. It's an angel playing a instrument of some sort. I think this is a bracelet. I think we can get it out of here. Yeah. It's a little, with a toggle. It's got little crystals and little blue pearls. So there's an angel. There's another angel. Wait, let's see what we got. We got a cherub. And then there's this little tiny one. There's an angel and another angel. And then some beads and another angel. And more beads and an angel with one wing. Or is it standing sideways? I can't tell. It might be missing a wing, but... And then there's this one. So that's cute. It's all angels. Very cute. There's one thing out of the mess. This is a very nice chain. Very thick. I might be using that for something if it's not got a pendant on it already, because I have a thing upstairs that needs one. I have a really pretty big damascene pendant that needs a chain. The pendant's like this big. It's gorgeous. Okay, can we get this undone? Yes. I'm always so nervous I'm going to break my nail, because this one's already got a ding in it, and I repaired it, but I'm scared. So yes, this one is going upstairs. That one is not up for grabs. There's a cute little earring. No, it's a necklace. Maybe. Oh my gosh, we're going to be untangling this. Tell you what, we'll untangle that for the next video. Here is a lovely little Neiman Marcus J. Strongwater picture frame. Very nice. Pretty enamel and rhinestone. Cute. Aww. There's a tiny little bracelet. Rainbow bracelet for a child. There we go. Here's a double curb chain, big one, with this really cool enamel bit at the front. It looks like it's like a mint green and a copper color and a dark brown. That's nice. Nice. Here's a piece of something that is broken. Boo-hoo. Maybe we'll find the pieces to it. Who knows? Friends. Oh, look, it's a little donut. Reminds me of Chef Ramsay. He's always calling people "ya donut" when they mess up in the kitchen. Either calls him a donut or a donkey. This says 2013 Moose. And I don't know. I am unfamiliar with that character, but it's a donut. Yeah, donut. Here's a big, long wooden necklace. And where's my measuring device? I had my stinking measuring device. And now I don't see it anywhere. Criminy. Did I take it back out there again? Anyway, it's, I'm going to say it's about 60 inches. It's really, really long. Caroline would like that, but I don't know if she still still watches my videos. This is the ever popular, what do you call it? Paparazzi twist bracelet, or wrap bracelet, or is it a wrap bracelet? Yeah, I think you could do it that way. Yes. I don't mind those if you can get them on right. They're not bad. Oh, look, earrings. Oh, look, earrings. Loose earrings that aren't, yeah. Here's a chain. Plain Jane chain. Here's a piece of something. This we have the other of. Oh, hey, this is the same as the silver ones, except it's enameled. It's the same deal, man. It's an orchid. Very pretty. I haven't a clue who makes these, but they're very cute. This is the other seahorse. I think somebody claimed that in the last video. This is just a piece of something. This is a confetti lucite earring. And a little pendant with a signature on it. Glass. A little hoop-de-doo. A little heart. I'm pretty sure I have the other one of those as well. Oh, look, there's the other one of these. Cool, we're going to get lots of earrings that match. That's nice. Love getting earrings that match. Oh, here's another one of those little, you can make little dragonflies with beads with those. Cute! Ooh, this is nice. This is, wow, really tiny. What the heck? It's so small. It's a necklace, but it's very tiny. And it looks like it's got jade. Yeah, they're really cold. It's got jade beads on it. That is a baby necklace from Asia, I think. This is cool. I think there's a couple of swirls missing in that one, though. This is very pretty. It's all in one piece. It's dirty, though. You can feel the dirt on it. Pearls. What is it with pearls? They get so gross. It's missing several stones on the clasp. Ugh, they're sticky. I do not like pearls when they get like that. Here's some mother of pearl, antique mother of pearl women's cufflinks. Not a bad deal. Little teeny tiny earring. And this one's out of its package. Somebody else has the, it's the thing with the green on one side and the blue on the other. Let me know if that was you, and I'll put these in with your stuff. Pretty sure that's going to happen with a lot of these. They're going to be matches to stuff that I've already sold. There's a plain brass bracelet. Here is gunmetal and, what is that color? Yeah, they're both gunmetal. It's like gunmetal and opaque, and then clear. Where's the rest of the stuff? Here's a nice little faux cloisonne piece. Don't know. Let's see, what else have we got? Ooh, more stuff in a ball. Yay. Here is Francesca's collection owls. Cute. Here is another short lariat. Very short lariat. I think it's the bracelet to the... Might be. What? Is that... Did they wear these as bracelets? Maybe. But yeah, I had the necklace too, except it had rhinestones in here, little rondelles. This is an interesting conglomeration of things. Oh, please tell me you're not broken. Dang it. Very dirty. Oh, come on. Okay, so we have 2 birds and 2 medallions. And to me that looks like, what's her name? Betsy. Or something. Yeah, that's a full necklace. I think that's adorable. I like the birds. Asymmetrical, that's really different. Very nice with the 2 birds. I like that. Not too shabby. Here's a bunch of little wood beads. These are very, like, they feel very antique-y. I don't know. Here's a little gold tone bracelet that had something hanging from it. And it no longer does. Ooh, what do we got here? We got 17 minutes. Let's see what we can get out of here. Okay. There's the pearly earring. And there's the other one of those. Someone has the necklace. I think I have 2 of these. Please let me know if you're the one that has a necklace. And I will put them in your box. We have the other of this. I don't know if we have the other of that. We have the other of that. Here is an Oregon. Oh no, Nevada. A Nevada charm. I know I saw an Oregon in here too. Oregon. Those are nice. This is beautiful. This is a brown shell flower. Very nice. Let's get this crap out of here. Put him in there. This is all opalite, but it is falling apart. So that's for crafting. We do have the other of these. Here's a stone. Wait, no. This is a piece of pottery with a wrap. I'm not sure if the wrap is sterling or not. Excuse me. Excuse me. There's another little earring that has some things missing. That's a shame. This I've seen the other of. This is very nice. It's 3 little CZs on a chain. This is not sure what this is. No. Little CZ band. No marks. Ooh, here's a fun thing with a tag on it. Oh, another Cookie Lee. What do we got here? We got a couple of things. We got this one. And then we got that one. Huh? There's 3 necklaces here. We're at 20 and we're almost, well, I don't know. I guess I'll get through these guys. This is red, black, and green. I am unsure as to what that stands for. I'd have to look it up. And this is a glass dangly necklace. Another cookie leaf. This is gonna get untangled and then we'll be done. Do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah. If I make sounds, does that help? I don't know. I guess, apparently. It has a little crystal at the end, too. And then a little crystal at the front. And then it's got this nuggety looking chain with like the laser cuts in it to make it sparkle. Sparkly. And then there's this one. 3 stones. Looks like it's CZ. And that's going to be the end of that tune. And 90% of what we got left is bagged cookie Lee. Oh wait, and then there's this mess that I'll be untangling. I want to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. And if you've not bought from me before, please send me your name, your PayPal email, your YouTube name, and your street address so that I can send you your goodies. And if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp of the item you would like in the comments below, or you can send that information along with your info, plus the title of the video and the date that it was posted, so I thought blah 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 blah, so that I can find your item for you. I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.